Good morning, boys and girls. Today for science, we're going to start exploring light. Last couple weeks, we've been looking at sound. We're starting to look at light. We have a new workbook, Exploring Light. It looks just like the sound one, but this word is different, so make sure you have the right one. We do want to start by putting our name on the front. Remember, we're training our brain not to forget to write our name for when we return to school. The first page is a note to parents. We're going to skip over that page. All right, this first page, again, is just kind of introducing. You're going to follow along and listen as we read about investigating light. Light arrives on the planet Earth after a speedy trip from the sun. So our light all comes from the sun. Light takes about 8 minutes to get from the Earth to the sun. That's way crazy. So the light that we're seeing from the sun really happened 8 minutes ago. It's like the past. The light that we see is one part of the energy that the sun makes that our eyes can detect. It travels to the planet Earth in the form of waves. Kind of like sound, right? Sound travels in waves, so does light. Adjectives that describe the amount of light that can travel through objects. These 3 words are going to be super important that we're going to learn. If you have a highlighter or a yellow marker, I want you to take it and if you have a highlighter, you should just need one swoop through the word to highlight the word. So that way we remember, oh, these words are important. We're going to need to know what these words are and remember what they mean. Translucent means you can see the object, but it is not clear. Transparent means you can see the object clearly. And opaque means you cannot see the object. Okay? So translucent, you can see it, but it's not clear. Transparent, you can see it clearly, but opaque means you cannot see the object. Did you know that a frog's eyes are very sensitive to light? Rainbows are made when light enters water droplets that are made in the air. I did not know that a frog's eyes are sensitive to light, but I did know how a rainbow was made. Did you know either one of those things? All right. Pretty cool. If you have extra time, you can go through and color the pictures. That's fine. This is the page that I want you to do today. You're going to make a list of all the things that provide light. You're going to use these things right here. And then there is natural and artificial. All right. Let me back up just real quick. There's 2 ways that we can get light. Natural is like it produces light on its own, like the sun. Artificial is like it has a light switch. I have to turn it on. It's not producing light all by itself, all on its own. So lamp, sun, moon, television, fire, computer, headlight, star, lightning, and flashlight are the words that you're going to sort between these 2 categories. Does a lamp produce natural light all on its own with no help at all, or does a lamp need a switch and it produces artificial light? Okay, so you're going to ask yourself that and then write lamp in the correct column, and then you're going to move on to sun and then moon and then keep going. Okay, this is the page that I would like you to turn in today. I hope that you guys are going to have so much fun learning about light. We're going to do lots of different experiments, and we're going to talk about all sorts of different things about light, and I think it's really cool and interesting, so I hope that you think that it's really cool and interesting too. Have a good day, guys.